Hi everyone, today I'm going to be introducing the graph view. When you log into your CarbonGraph account, you'll have a blank page that says you don't have any LCAs yet. And there's a few different ways to create them. If we create a blank LCA, we will see what we call the graph view. Rather than starting from a blank canvas though, what I'll do today is show you within community LCAs, you're able to actually go and look for some example LCAs here. Everything from, a polyethylene water bottle example being manufactured from cradle to gate, to a dress shirt, sustainable eyewear production, aluminum water bottles, just kind of everything depending on what sort of product you're looking to model. Get some details about the LCA itself and some impacts. And we can explore any one of these LCAs, look quickly at what's included in the system boundaries, and we can also open it in the graph view. And this takes a few seconds to load, but basically we're downloading this model to our account, and now any changes we make to it will be saved into our account. We've opened up our graph view, and a few things to note. In the top right, there's a bunch of controls where you're able to explore the graph in a little bit of detail. We can choose different characterization methodologies. By default, you'll be on recipe 2016 midpoint H. We can look at different dimensions that we care about. We can look at a summary of the reports calculated for the whole graph. We can look at what we call parent process, which is a representation of the entire graph in one card. We can look at the different life cycle stages involved, and we can look at a Sankey diagram of the impact in the methodology we're interested in at this time. So in recipe 2016H, we're able to see climate change from right to left, what is contributing the most. We can see things like transport are accounting for fairly little of the impact, and no major surprise, cotton is a major contributor to the climate change impact in this case. So that's a brief introduction to the graph view. Anytime we make a change to any one of these values, we can click up here to calculate and see new results. And what we'll do next is just kind of walk through left to right what we're representing here. So starting left to right, we've got two different kinds of cards. We've got impact cards where you can see an impact displayed, which means that, again, we're looking at climate change here. For every 1 kilogram of woven cotton textile, we're generating 15 kilograms of carbon dioxide equivalent impact. And moving to the right, we're saying we're consuming about 10 grams of this woven cotton in the fabrication of the collar. We ingest some polyester fiber as well, and some polycarbonate maybe for the little stays or buttons, whatever goes into the collar there. And we've got the setup saying that 3 inputs are equivalent to the 1 output, 1 collar on the right. And there's a fabrication step here where a collar comes together with the body of the shirt, 2 sleeves, 10 buttons, and 2 cuffs. All of that is equivalent to 1 unit of dress shirt. That dress shirt gets some transportation. So over the road truck transport is being pulled from another card down here. It's equivalent to 1 dress shirt that's been transported some distance. We're doing some barge transport for 15,000 kilometers. And then we're transporting again over the road, maybe to a distribution center. And so this example incorporates transportation as well as manufacturing information, as well as some energy consumption. And that's an overview of the graph view and the kind of things you can expect from it. In the next video, we'll walk through how to build these graphs from scratch, and we'll have a video on how to build them with automation from EcoScan.